is it? Oh, deer. No, it's starting to clear. I can see some blue skies up there. It's starting to break up. It'll be good the rest of the night. Okay, so we're at campsite 28.4. Take a little break, check things out. We're only a few miles in now, but we're in no rush. We got plenty of time to get our miles in today. Yep, looks like a good one. Fozzie approves.
Yep.
All right, onward. What's in the tinfoil? Oh, garlic bread. Cooking up some dinner, got some spaghetti on. Don, you're having rice and what? Sausage?
Mm-hmm.
We got some ribs, taters, asparagus.
Green beans.
Wow, that looks good. Fozzie's eyeing it up. That front come in. Wind died down. And skies cleared, but now the temperatures just dropped. But we're gonna enjoy our night. How about a fire here? And we'll check in the morning. Peace. Oh, we got a boa. Boa. At Whispering Pines, campsite, landing. We're gonna stop here. We didn't eat nothing this morning, so we're gonna stop here and have a late brunch. See the sturgeon resting in the shallows? There. Oh, he's underneath the boat. He's under the boat. He's a killer. Oh!
We sing it to Bean.
What you got there?
Stuffed peppers.
Ooh.
I can't believe I snapped my pole right in half.
Hey, I lost a pole this year too, so I feel for you.
I think we gotta get some of them done.
Yeah, those are cool.
They pack up.
Yeah, they got camouflage ones too. Those little inflatable things there.
I would like
Those
one
are
of
freaking awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought for backpack.
Light enough, floatable, and durable,
Yeah.
surprisingly. Yep. Beautiful evening. Good morning. We're getting geared up here now. We did about 12 miles yesterday and we'll do about the same today. Should be a great day though, no wind. Yesterday we had a bit of a headwind, slowed us down a little bit, nothing major. Beautiful morning.
We were booking it. The photographer's always ready. Now I have to steer. Doesn't matter.
This is the nicest spot we've been to by far. Just going down this trail. Check. Just a nice trail leading away from the campsite, right along the river. Pretty cool. Probably hear some traffic noise. We ain't far from one of the landings, and there's a bridge that crosses the river. We're getting closer to the St. Croix, so it's a popular spot from this next landing to the confluence of St. Croix, and it's about 8 miles between them two landings, so it's a pretty popular day trip, and I think a lot of people go tubing too. I got 2 coffee beers and a bunch of one-shotters.
Exactly. This is a friggin' awesome spot.
Sure is.
It
It'd
really
be a good
is.
spot if you had a whole group.
Yeah.
I was trying to get Chuck in, but he was couldn't get off to work, of course, because he was covering for me.
You know, the thing to do was to do it on a Friday, Saturday, so everybody could go and just cut it a day short.
Hear the fox?
Yep. Fox on the other side of the river. It's rush hour. You piece of birch bark?
Oh, yeah.
Right over there by the pile.
Make sure my eyes are open, please.
Why, did you think you blinked?
Day 4,
I didn't want him to check.
just getting underway. Had a great night last night. Man, I slept good in the hammock. No tarp needed the whole trip. Didn't see any meteors though. I don't know, Leah said that was fake news. Of course I fell for it.
Pretty tree coming up, so you can tell it's getting a little bit chillier at night because the temperature is making the leaves change already. And we're at August 13th.
3.6. A lot of nice pines on this one. A lot of steps still on. Coming up on another campsite now. And we're just about a few miles in. I think we had 10 miles from our campsite last night to Riverside.
3.2. And it doesn't look like it's a super good spot.
Now we're into some fast moving water. Nothing major. Really nothing over class 1 the whole river. Mostly just ripples. But gets a little faster as you get closer to the St. Croix. You get about 6 miles till Riverside. So, oh man, we're gonna be right at that rock. Nice one.
Okay, now we have coming up, we're going to see one of the first little cabins that we've seen on the river so far. Let's see, what's it say? It says Lost Point Cabin. So cute. Here we're coming up on the last house, little cabin on the river, but it's in a super good spot because this is where the two rivers meet. So we're on the Namekagon, and then over here, which we did a couple of months ago, is the St. Croix River. So now we're exactly at where two rivers come together. So these guys got the primo spot.
Get that little creek going
Yep,
through there,
I'll
too.
get that too. Yep, then they got this little like lagoon looking thing that runs right through here. Man, they got the spot. Oh yeah.
We got about 3 miles to the landing, our takeoff point. Well, here we are, Riverside Landing. This is our takeout spot. So we did about 35 miles starting at County Road K, and this is Riverside Landing. So thanks for coming along on another excellent adventure, and we'll see you on the next one.